Superchargers! Paano nga ba sila gumagana? Do they work by the help of electricity, heat, air, or by simply because of magic? So ngayon pag-uusapan natin lahat tungkol sa superchargers. Mula history, paano sila gumagana, at kung ano-ano ang iba't ibang uri nito. So please, fasten your seatbelt. We're gonna deep dive on the world of cars, where history meets horsepower and innovation drives passion. This is where you get to know the legends, the machines, and the stories that shape the automotive world. Welcome to Motopedia. Superchargers ay unang sumikat noong panahon ng World War I. Unang kinabit ito sa mga makina ng mga fighter jet or airplanes.
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Kinailangan ng mga eroplano noon ng extra power para makalipad ng mas mataas at mas mabilis to combat enemy aircraft and protect their territories. Kaya nilagyan nila ng superchargers sa mga makina ng eroplano. At boom! Instant heroes ang superchargers sa kalangitan.
Something to think about if you throw trash on Texas highways. Somebody up there is gonna be watching.
So paano nga ba naimbento ang superchargers? Well, noong 1878, isang Scottish engineer na si W. Clerk nagsenyo na supercharger na pwedeng ikabit sa makina. He is the first one to put the supercharger on a two-stroke engine. Pero hindi agad ito ginamit sa mga sasakyan. Not until when Gottlieb Daimler, a German engineer, ang nakatanggap ng German patent for supercharging ang internal combustion engine dahil siya ang nag-develop ng belt-driven supercharger noong 1885 na ikinabit sa combustion engine at naandar successfully. Also siya at ang kaibigan niya na si Rudolf Diesel na nakaimbento ng concept na force induction, ang pagpasok ng hangin sa makina para mag-generate ng mass power. Samantala, si Louis Renault, isa pang engineer, ang nagpatent naman ng centrifugal supercharger. So anong car manufacturer nga ba ang unang naglagay ng supercharger sa kanilang sasakyan? The first ever car manufacturer that put a supercharger on the road-going vehicle is the Mercedes-Benz. At ang sasakyan na iyon ay ang Mercedes-Benz 62540 HP, produced noong 1921, making history bilang unang kotse na boosted ng supercharger. At dito na nagsimula ang paggamit din ng supercharger ng iba't ibang car manufacturers, sa kadahilanan na nagbibigay ng dagdag na hatak at bilis sa mga ito na hindi lang nagpakitang gilas sa karera, kundi pati na rin sa regular na kalsada. Kaya naging tanda ng luxury at performance sa mga supercharged na sasakyan. In short, naging simbolo ng speed and power.
Speed and power!
Speed and power ang mga supercharged na sasakyan. Simula noong 1920s at unti-unti itong lumaganap sa merkado ng mga road-going vehicles. At sa taong 1930s, nagsimula nang makilala ang superchargers sa mundo ng motorsport. Let's say that superchargers had become a game changer in motorsport. Ang mga kilalang manufacturers tulad ng Mercedes-Benz at Alfa Romeo began equipping their race cars with superchargers, which drastically boosted engine power by forcing more air into the combustion chamber. Nakilala at sumikat ang paggamit ng supercharger sa mga karera kung saan ang instant give ng acceleration at top speed ay importante. At ang superchargers ay nakatulong sa pag-abot ng mga race cars sa top performance nila. Kaya't noong 1930s hanggang 1950s, karaniwang gamit ang mga supercharged engines sa mga malalaking motorsport events tulad ng mga Grand Prix races at Le Mans. The extra boost that the superchargers made gave them a massive edge on the racetrack, allowing cars like the Mercedes-Benz SSK, Mercedes-Benz W25, and the Alfa Romeo 8C to dominate races and set new speed records. The roar of these supercharged engines became synonymous with motorsport victories, cementing their place on the motorsport history. So ano nga ba ang supercharger? Ang superchargers ay mga air compressor na nagtutulak ng mas maraming hangin papasok sa combustion chamber ng makina, na nagpapataas ng dami ng oxygen na magagamit para sa pagsunog ng gasolina. More oxygen means more fuel that can be burned, leads to significant increase in engine's power.
Man. You got for the 100 mil. I'm sucking. Damn, let me get my shit off first. Damn!
Hindi tulad ng turbocharger na umaasa sa exhaust gases para paikutin ng isang turbine, ang supercharger ay direktang pinaandar ng crankshaft ng makina gamit ang belt, gear, or chain. Dahil dito nagbibigay ito ng instant power dahil mechanically linked sila at hindi na umaasa sa exhaust gases, which means no turbo lag.
What just happened? I was right there! Did you lag? What do you mean I lag? It's real lag!
So ano-ano ang types ng supercharger? Number 1, root supercharger. Ang root supercharger ay gumagamit ng dalawang meshing lobes upang mag-pump ng hangin papunta sa makina. Kapag umikot ang mga lobe, kinukulong nila ang hangin at tinutulak ito papunta sa intake manifold, creating pressure that increases air density for combustion. Pagdating sa power advantage, nagbibigay ito ng instant boost sa mababang RPM dahil mabilis nitong naitutulak ang malaking volume ng hangin sa makina. Madalas itong makita sa mga muscle car drag racing na sasakyan. Number 2, twin screw supercharger. Katulad ng root supercharger, ang twin screw supercharger ay gumagamit ng, you guess it by the name, 2 screw rotors to compress air bago ito itulak papunta sa intake. Mas efficient ito dahil sa pagkakadesenyo ng screw-shaped rotors. At sa power advantage naman, nagbibigay ito ng mas consistent na boost sa buong RPM range at mahusay sa parehong mababa at mid-range RPM. Usually found in performance sports car and some luxury vehicles. The third and the last one is the centrifugal supercharger. Katulad ng turbocharger, gumagamit ang centrifugal supercharger ng maliit na turbine to compress air. Ginagamitan ito ng belt na konektado sa makina at nagpapatakbo ng turbine upang makagawa ng centrifugal force para i-compress ang hangin. Sa power advantage nito, nagbibigay ito ng high-end power sa mataas na RPM. Ibig sabihin, habang tumataas ang RPM ng makina, mas malakas ang boost na ibinibigay nito. Karaniwang makikita o ginagamit ito sa track-focused cars o mga high-performance vehicles where higher RPM power is prioritized.
Blame him one bit. Linda carrying a cone. +1 on Linda, 58,682. +1, 58,682. She is done for the day. Here comes 58,682. Yeah. First of the flying coals. This is Dan running the Fairlady Z.
Although the use of superchargers on both motorsport and production cars has been somewhat limited compared to turbocharging, they still hold a unique place in automotive history. Superchargers offer instant power without the lag,
I'm not lagging. What are you guys talking about? You are lagging.
which is why they remain a favorite for some enthusiasts in performance vehicles. As technology evolves, superchargers are becoming more efficient and are being reimagined for modern engines, especially as automakers strive to balance performance with emission regulations. Whether they are part of higher performance sports car or adding excitement to everyday driving, the superchargers continues to evolve and thrive in today's automotive landscape. And that's it for today's episode, guys. So viewers, may tanong ako sa inyo. What is your favorite supercharged vehicle? Mine would be the Lotus Emira with the supercharged V6. It may not boast the highest power, but its stunning design and engaging driving experience makes the car stand out more than any other supercharged vehicle. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. So, meron kayong gusto pang malaman tulad ng history about cars, history about motorsport drivers, or anything na gusto nyo malaman tungkol sa kotse, just comment down below and tatry natin gawa ng episode yan. So kung nagustuhan nyo, leave a like, subscribe, and share the video. So, maraming salamat sa panonood and I'll see you on the next episode. Mapa-vlog pa yan or any kind of content. Thank you. So please, fasten. Man.
No.
Man.